what to say, how to reintroduce myself. It's been so damn long, but I decided this year I would do more YouTube as well as Instagram lives and just be more active with you guys. So I finally did the upgrade on Boxy Charm to the big bad boy, and I was like, I'm just gonna open it. I was like, you know what, I want to open it as my first YouTube video back so you guys can see if it's worth the hype. I believe the additional, I'm gonna be so rusty in this video, just fair warning, because it's been a minute. And I did get an email. It said Joe, the CEO from Boxy Charm, said that they wanted to apologize for sending me a Cover FX palette that might not match my shade. So I got a heads up of something that wouldn't be helpful to me, or at least they think it wouldn't, and instead they're going to give me 4,500 charm points within the next 72 hours to cover the retail value of the palette, which I thought was cool. So I believe the upgrade is like $28. I'm honestly not too sure, but I want to get right into this bad boy. I know that 3 months you pay an additional fee. This is my first month. I'll let you guys know how it goes, and if I decide to downgrade, Jesus Christ, this is gonna be one of those videos. But yeah, let's get right on into her. She's massive. Here's what it looks like inside so far. There's gonna be a lot of that. I'm so clumsy. No sé. Alright, this says, okay, it's kind of like the same sheet that we get. Tag BoxyLuxe Rose for a chance to be featured. Alright, so let's see everything we have in here. So I see a bag. She's cute. I love rose gold things. If you didn't know that about me, I'm obsessed. That's cute. I feel like a lot of things are fit in here for traveling, especially. Yeah, your girl's gonna be traveling a lot this year. Looks like this. Pretty deep. I will see if all the products in the end fit in here, but I do like the bag. The bag says their name. So let me see, how much is it? The Boxy Charm train case, $20. Not bad. I'd pay $20 for it. I've actually paid more for smaller bags. Next up, I have Lilly lashes. You guys know I love me some Lilly lashes. These are the Fox Mink ones, the limited edition. I can't talk today. In Gia. Oh, I've always wanted to try this out, but it was always sold out. So they look like this. She is cute, and she goes for $24.99. Okay, so we are already paying over our box in just 2 products, and I'm gonna stuff it in the bag just to see if everything fits in the end. What is up next? We have a Wander Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. I like Wander products. I have a cleanser from them, and it's so damn good. This is $34. Purifying and brightening. I like that because my skin is so dry right now that I do need to give it some love and some rejuvenation and brightness back to it. Next up, we have the Icon London Eyebrow Cushion. Eyebrow cushion? Huh. I've tried a lot of cushion like foundations and blushes and contours, but not a brow. The packaging is uber cute. And here's something inside. It's like travel friendly. Like it comes with the little cosita, and then you open it here, and in there is your brow product, and you put it back, and you close, and you go. So I'm gonna try that. That retails for $40. Okay, 40. I don't know, is it me, or like sometimes sometimes I see the prices on these products and I'm just like, I don't know. Says use the bristle wand to brush eyeshadow into place. Bounce the angled brush into the cushion with small strokes to apply the pigment to create your desired effect. It is quick drying formula which allows you to reapply and build to your intensity. I shall skip that. Next up, I have something from Becca. What are you? It's an ultimate lipstick in the color Crimson. I've actually tried to get this in store and they never ever had it. So this is a really bright, yummy red. I'm excited. Yes. I swear, every time I go into Sephora, I see it, I swatch it, I want it, I don't want it because I can't find it. No, but I see it and I swatch the shit and it's amazing, but there's never any more. And I'm like, it must be bomb. It must be. Honestly, I've tried to find this shit 3 times. No, never do they have it. But now I got it. And it retails for $24. Okay, I'd pay $24 because I've been wanting it for so damn long that I would pay. Oh my goodness, I freaking love this. The IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream. I have talked about this. If you've been following me for a very long time, then you know this was upon a time ago my favorite moisturizer. Okay, it is so good. It is thick like my thighs. It moisturizes your face and it doesn't leave you greasy or oily feeling. She smells good but not too fragrancy. She's bomb. I really love her. I'm happy I got this. Yes, this was or is $48. Yes, I remember paying a chunk of change for her. But she's good, honestly. She is so good. Next up, I have Deborah Lippman nail polishes, I believe. Ooh, I'm so clumsy. Oh, it looks like this. And I think it's nail polishes. Let's see. Yep, it is. Oh, this one's so cute. I love me some mauve shades. I'm all about like white and neutral nails. I never do anything crazy. The most you'll get out of me is like a deep wine or like a red. But I wanted this year like do crazy colors like the neons and the pastels, and I think it looks really, really cute. This one in Old Donna, she's a little bit shiny, sparkly. I don't know if you can see, but there is like reflex in there. Kind of looks like a metallic shade, mauve as well. And this one is just plain. The name of the shade is Modern Love. Come on, focus. There we go. And she's cute. I might even like put her on my nails after this. She retails for, I can't speak English, I'm sorry, I don't know what's going on. $20. The dual patent formula in the new Deborah Lippman 2-piece sets. You bring the nail salon home. The 10 active ingredients help deliver health, shine, and long wear to your nails, giving you the effect of gel polish without damage. Okay, girl, we shall see. Next up is a brush set from Moda. Looks like that. It is a powder brush and a soft glow brush. She's really soft. Bristles look really good. And then this one I use to like dust off any powder underneath or add some highlight. That's what I honestly use it for. She's packed. Like I feel like it'll whisk away really nice under here, as well as it'll highlight really nice as well. I will be getting used to those. I love me some under eye brushes. Okay, so this is the palette that they excuse themselves for. It feels really nice. The names are on the back. How much are you, bad boy? The Perfector Face Palette. I see why they are a little concerned. 6 must-have complexion essentials in one travel-friendly palette. The talc-free formula provides seamless blending, flawless application, sculpt, and contour. Blush it up and illuminate with 2 shimmering highlighters. Find the perfect finish with the brightener and finishing powder for a glowing, multi-dimensional look anywhere and everywhere you go. I mean, I feel like I can make this work. You honestly don't have to excuse yourself, Joe. She's cute. The contour does seem a little dark for me. I wouldn't be able to use it. But I can use it for like an eyeshadow, put it in my crease if I really want some color. The blush looks really nice, right up my alley. The brightener, she's cute as well. And did I get this finger? No. Okay. And then these two are the 2 highlights. And it looks nice too. I feel like the only one I really wouldn't get use of is the contour for the face. But if you got this palette and this is like your shade, I think she's gonna be a dream because like she blends really nice. Let me clean my finger before I make a mess everywhere. All right. And this was, I don't know if I mentioned it already, but this was $45. She's a little heavy too. The packaging on that is pretty massive. The last product is from Morphe. It is the 15B Brunch Babe. Let's open her. And this retails for $16. She looks like this. And 15 crazy, creamy, powerful pigmented shades so you can mix and match and blend the rules. Okay, Morphe. She looks cute. She looks like something I would wear like every day or ump it up tonight because there is a lot of blacks and deep shades in here. So it can be day or nighttime appropriate. And honestly, everything in the bag fits. It is uber duper cute. I am loving. So let's see how much everything in here was. So the box retails for $326. That is a big difference from the smaller boxes that we do get. Jesus. Wow, that was great for my first box, honestly. I've tried the It Cosmetics, so I know I'm gonna love it. Brushes you can never go wrong with, so I know I'm gonna use those brushes. The damn lipstick that I've been searching for like maybe 2 years now, I know I better love it. Honestly, that would kill me if all this time I've been looking for it and I don't even like it. What else? The nail polish. I'm gonna paint my nails right now. And the only thing I'm a little bit about, oh, Lilly lashes, I can't wait to try those, is the brow cushion powder, and I probably would love it. Watch, I'm talking shit, but I don't know, I have like my brows down packed as of yet, and I don't want too harsh of a brow. I'm afraid with cushions because it is creamy. That's why I don't use pomades anymore, because you can go freaking harsh like really quick. And then for me, I hate for people to notice my brows before anything. Just a personal preference. But yeah, I'm excited about this box. I'm excited. Are you excited? Did you join? Are you a BoxyLuxe or are you a Boxy Charmer? Let me know down below. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I will try to film some more videos throughout the week. I'm aiming for 1 to 2 videos a week. hopefully I have enough time to do that. But yeah, comment down below and let me know if you like this video. Are you a Boxy Charmer or are you a BoxyLuxe? Now I'm intrigued to know how many people did the upgrade. Honestly, I really love this month's box, unless next month is a complete trash. I don't see myself downgrading anymore. You get full-size products for a very good price, honestly. If I go to Sephora, I'm going to spend $326 for all this shit in here. And granted, I won't buy everything that I need in there, but this cream, honestly, I've been procrastinating to pay for it because I was like, $48, no. And even though it was so freaking good, I just didn't want to spend it. So I'm happy I got it in this box. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down and let me know if you truly did. And yeah, I don't think I have anything else to say other than thank you so much for watching. And I will talk to you love in the next one.